headache, heavy head. Then headache means that energy is penetrating somewhere, wherever the heavy head is there, any place, especially in third eye or sahasrara, any places headache, energy is penetrating, very focus, intense focus is there. Then that's how headaches and heavy head is coming. Some people, only few people. Then if it is sweet headache, sweet pain, that's okay. But if it is little bit too much, then what you need to do is some things you can do it to reduce the intensity of the pain. What is that? One is instead of observing the breath here, so observing here, you keep attention on the belly, how the belly is moving. Because sometimes when you're observing, automatically, wherever your observation intention is there, observation is there, the focus is there, the energy comes. And the energy as they're coming, then it will clear the many blocks. Then when it's clearing, then it will be a little bit painful sometimes whenever it's not activated, the third eye, and some portions are getting activated. So better if it is sweet pain, that's called sweet pain, your enjoyable pain. Then if it is little bit more, you need to tell the energy that please deal it in a more calm and more peaceful and more loving way. You can tell that, and also focus on the belly button, how the stomach is moving. Focus there. Your focus should not be on the eyes are here. Okay, your focus on the ground. Otherwise, how the feet are touching, how the belly is moving, how the belly is moving. You can observe that. That helps a lot. And also dancing every day, 10 minutes. If you dance, what happens is the meditation energies, they will try to clear the blocks. But when you're dancing, all the chakras, everything, blood circulation, everything is running, jogging, anything, blood circulation is happening, aerobics, anything. Then automatically for the meditation energies, it will not be, it will be easy to clear the blocks and flow through all the energy channels. Okay.